I woke up early today. I don't want to get out of bed. I checked my phone first thing. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I took a quick shower. The water was nice and warm. I opened the window for fresh air. The sunlight feels so good. I made my bed neatly. I put on my favorite clothes. I looked in the mirror and smiled. I'm feeling hungry. What should I eat for breakfast? I made scrambled eggs. I toasted some bread. I poured a glass of juice. Breakfast smells delicious. I had cereal with milk. I ate slowly and enjoyed it. I read the news while eating. I made a cup of coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. I finished my coffee. Now I'm ready to start the day. I need to clean my room. There's dust on the shelves. I started the washing machine. I folded the laundry. I swept the floor. I mopped the kitchen. I wiped the windows. I cleaned the bathroom. I organized my closet. I threw away old papers. Now my home feels fresh. Cleaning always makes me feel good. I sat down at my desk. I turned on my laptop. I checked my emails. I replied to a few messages. I joined an online meeting. My internet connection was so slow. I took a short coffee break. I focused on my work. I finished one big task. That felt so satisfying. I studied English for an hour. I took notes in my notebook. I learned some new vocabulary. I am so proud of my progress.